Hello students, welcome back to our EVS class. This is the first part of the 15th chapter, Travel, Communication and Money. In this session, we are going to discuss about different modes of transport and we are also going to discuss about types of bridges. First of all, let us discuss about means of transport. Traveling to various places is the best way of learning new things as well as enjoying and relaxing. First of all, let us discuss about road transport. Road transport or land transport is the most widely used mode of transport. In the cities, buses, cars, trucks, and metro rail are used for daily commuting. Buses, cars, and taxis are used for traveling long distances. Next, let us study about rail transport. Rail transport is used to cover short as well as long distances. India has a wide network of railways which connects almost the whole of India through different routes. Next we have air transport. Air transport is the fastest means of transport and is used for traveling long distances. During natural disasters, helicopters are used to drop food, clothes and medicines in the affected area. Children, which is the fastest means of transport? Air transport is the fastest means of transport. Next we have water transport. Water transport like boats, steamers and ships are the common means of transports which are used to carry people as well as goods across the seas. These need ports for loading and unloading goods. Mumbai is the biggest port in the country. Children, which is the biggest port in our country? Mumbai is the biggest port in the country. Next, let us discuss about types of bridges. A bridge is a structure which can connect two places over roads and water bodies through which vehicles can pass. It is built of different materials and can have unique and interesting designs. Let us learn about some of them. First, let us study about beam bridge. A beam bridge is constructed on a large number of pillars made of either concrete or beams. Next we have arch bridge. An arch bridge is in the shape of a curve. It is made of materials like cement, concrete and bricks. Lifting bridge or drawbridge. A lifting bridge or drawbridge is a movable bridge that can be lifted up to allow vehicles like ships to pass through. Next we have suspension bridge. A suspension bridge is held in place by sturdy cables. It consists of two pairs of pillars with two or more cables made of strong steel slung between them. Children, next let us study about some adventurous sports. Mountaineering. This is a form of traveling and also a sport enjoyed by many people who like adventure. It involves trekking through dangerous terrains in freezing temperatures. Children, do you like trekking? Sports like snorkeling and scuba diving are also called adventurous sports. These type of sports require extensive training and special types of clothes and equipment. Young mountaineers like Krishna Patil and Arjun Vajpayee have set a new records of climbing Mount Everest. Bachendri Pal was the first Indian woman to climb this mountain. Students, there is an activity given in your textbook, page number 110. Please complete it in your textbook. Rest of the topics we will discuss in the next class. Thank you and have a nice day.